Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal Silvano espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue not heating and needs a like this small water pump. This is really old. It's from 2014, and when I tested I found out like there's a burnt wires on the thermostats, in both thermostats on the steam boiler. Actually it's a thermoblock in this machine, so I just rewire these burnt wires and replace the water pump. So let's go test this machine and see how it works. Just a shot on it. It works perfect. And let's test the steamer. Get this beautiful shot with thick creamer. Steamer works great actually, and the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.